Your stomach is a superhero acid factory. Did you know your stomach is basically a superpower factory inside your body? Seriously, your stomach makes acid that's so strong it could actually dissolve metal. Whoa, right? But wait, here's the amazing part. Your stomach has a special protective shield on the inside that keeps this powerful acid from burning right through your stomach walls. It's like having a force field protecting you. Here's how your stomach works. When you eat food, your stomach churns it around like a mini washing machine for about 3 hours. It mixes everything up with that powerful acid until your food becomes a soupy mixture called chyme. Your body then takes this soupy mix and uses it to give you energy and help you grow. But get this, your stomach's protective lining gets worn down from all that acid action, so your body does something absolutely incredible. It completely rebuilds and replaces that entire lining every single 3 to 5 days. Your stomach is basically replacing itself constantly. Your stomach is one powerful superhero, and it's working hard inside you right now. Pretty cool, huh? Subscribe for more mind-bending facts about your amazing body.